And among them was born a fierce hunter and mighty leader. His name was Nimrod, and he was the great-grandson of Noah. As generations passed, and the number of inhabitants continued to increase, they journeyed to the east and settled on a plain in the land of Shinar. At that time, all the people spoke the same language and came together, eagerly desiring to build a name for themselves.
With bricks and mortar we shall build a great city. And in our city we will build a tower that will reach the heavens. We shall settle here. We shall not be scattered. This will be our home.
Now God had instructed the generations of Noah to replenish the whole earth. Yet their desire was to remain in the land of Shinar. And they proceeded to build their city and their tower. Then the Lord God looked upon the plains of Shinar and said,
The people of the earth are one people who all speak one language. Now they are building a great city. Let us go down, confuse their language, so they may not understand each other, and cause them to scatter all over the earth.
By God's command, mankind suddenly began to speak many different languages. Unable to understand one another, the building of the city was halted, and the people began to disperse throughout the earth, according to God's original instruction. The city from which they scattered became known as Babel, for it was there that God confused the people's language.